Hello my dear student, I am Notan Kumar from Mechanical Engineering Department, GLA University Polytechnic, Mathura. In this video, I would like to tell you the importance of measurement and metrology subject. It is very vast area to study and it is very important for the mechanical engineer, electrical engineer and civil engineer, because in so many industries, in various departments like maintenance engineering department, production engineering department, quality engineering department, research and development department, they are using so many measuring instruments. I will tell you one by one in this video. So here some measuring instrument. The first instrument is level tool. Level tool is used to check the level of newly installed machine in the industries. And the second is dial gauge with stand. Dial gauge with stand is used to check the runout of a spindle or of a chuck. Next is puppy dial. If you want to check the runout in the micron, you can use the puppy dial. The next is tension measuring instrument. If you want to check the tension in the wire or tension in the string, you can use this instrument. The next is dynamometer. With the help of this instrument, you can calculate the value of load. The next is pressure gauge. You can measure the pressure with the help of this gauge. And the next is pressure transducer. It is very important. And the next is feeler gauge. Feeler gauge is used to check the radius. And the next is temperature controller meter. Temperature controller meter is used to check the temperature of any fluid. And flow meter, it is used to control the flow rate. The next is tachometer or RPM meter. If you want to calculate, if you want to know about the RPM, you can use this meter. Sound meter, if you want to check the intensity of sound or if you want to check the sound level in dB, you can use this sound meter. The next is lux meter. In various industries, it is very important to check the intensity of light. So intensity of light can be checked with the help of this lux meter. The next is plug and ring gauges. Plug and ring gauges is very important because if you want to check the size of thread or if you want to check the diameter of shaft, inside diameter of shaft, you can use this plug and ring gauges. The next is sine bar. If you want to calculate the angle, you can use this sine bar. Bevel protector, it is also very important for the measurement. And the height gauge, it is also very important. You can check the height. Vernier caliper, it is also very important. You can measure thickness or you can check the diameter with the help of this vernier caliper. Tube wall thickness measuring instrument. The wall thickness of tube can be measured with the help of this instrument. Next is mechanical force gauge. If you want to check the mechanical force gauge, you can use this instrument. Micrometer. The next is depth gauge and surface table. This is very important, and these are some instrument which is using in various types of industry.